Hi, my name is Magpayo. I'm a filmmaker and photographer. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the J5 Create video capture adapter. I'm also going to show you how to set it up. A video capture adapter is a hardware that you connect to your computer so you can use your DSLR or mirrorless to use as a live camera. Unlike webcams, most digital video cameras cannot be used as a live cam without an adapter. Thus, the need for a live video capture adapter like the J5 Create. This can be used for live streaming, podcasting, or a live video recording to a computer. A DSLR or mirrorless camera, especially with a zoom lens, has more flexibility in terms of focal length. You can zoom in or zoom out to your subject without moving your camera physically. Unlike in webcams, you have to move the webcam near or far from the subject to make it appear larger or smaller. A DSLR or mirrorless camera produces a more pleasing depth of field. Also, this kind of lens has higher optical quality than the webcams. Now, let's do the unboxing. This is the video capture adapter. This is the HDMI in, the power port, and the port to connect to our host computer. And this is the input for the microphone, and this is the output for the headphones. And this is the toggle switch for the mic, mix, and the HDMI. And this is the cold shoe mount. User's manual, USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A cable, and an extra mounting screw. Now I'm going to set up the J5 Create video capture adapter. First, I'm going to connect the video capture adapter to my computer. This is the USB-C connected to the host there. Then I will connect this to my computer. Next, I'm going to connect the camera to the J5 Create video capture adapter. I'm going to use this mini HDMI to HDMI cable. You have to buy this separately. Now I'm going to add the video capture device. Add source, and I will choose add new source instead. And I will select the J5 USB device. Now my Streamlabs OBS sees the video capture device. I'm going to enlarge the image so it fits my screen. Now, if you use your DSLR as a live camera, you will definitely see all the info that your camera displays. So I need to clean up my image for live streaming. What I'll do is press the info button on my camera until every info on my display disappears. And since I am using Magic Lantern in my Canon 6D, I have to disable all the display in my camera. I also turned off the grid of the camera. Now, I have a clean display. That's it. That's how it works. Webcams work great in live streaming. But if you need multiple cameras, or you need to zoom in and zoom out optically, or you need a more pleasing depth of field, the solution is a video capture adapter to be used with your DSLR or mirrorless camera. This is available at VIZEN Marketing. You can find the contact details in the description. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new videos.